Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing dynamic PowerPoint template in just 5 minutes using Morph Transition. By the way, let me tell you that you can download this free template from the link in the description below. So let's begin. First of all, open the blank slide and remove everything from it. Next, what we're going to do is zoom it in. And the next thing we're going to do is insert this rectangle right here, increase its size and remove its outline, and then what we're gonna do is change this color to gray, and let's just move it upwards. Now we're gonna insert a text box in it on top for the title. You can access this free template from the link in the description below, and it's completely free to use. So let's use the bold for it, which is let me just change the font to Arial Black. Increase its size, give it middle alignment. There you go. Now the next thing you're going to do, go to Insert tab and Shapes and insert a text box right on top of this rectangle for the title of this rectangle. Give it middle alignment, increase its size, change its font, and here you go. Next, what we're going to do is add some text, which is going to be our content text, into the slide. Decrease its size and then give it middle alignment, and let's give it some spacing of 1.0. Put it into the middle of your rectangle. Next, you're going to go to Icons and Insert tab. And from here, what you're going to do is select one icon from here for your rectangle. And we're just going to put it into the middle on top of our title on this rectangle. Change its fill. So we can use blue, yellow, or red would be alright, because yellow is not clearly visible. Select your template, group it. Next, what you're going to do is duplicate it by pressing Ctrl+D and move it onto the right side. Duplicate it again and you're going to move it onto the right side again. You're going to insert a rectangle that covers the bottom part of your slide just below the rectangle. Remove its outline, give it a fill of white color. And the next thing you're going to do is cover each of your rectangle with another rectangle. Remove its outline and send it to the back of the bottom rectangle. And next we're going to change its fill. So I'll just go to Morph colors. From here I'll just give it a specific color. Now what we're going to do is duplicate it and then cover the other rectangles with this one rectangle as well. So but be sure to send them to the back, just in the back of your rectangle. Next what we're going to do is search for arrow in the icons tab. What you can do is select this arrow and insert it, rotate it like this, that it shows in the bottom. We're going to put it into the middle and the center of each of the rectangle. Change its fill to white. Duplicate it and then put it into the middle of your other rectangles as well. Next, you're going to select each of the individual rectangle and then group it with the arrow. So the shortcut key for grouping is Ctrl+G. So use that key. Select the three rectangles and send them to the back. And while the next thing you're gonna do is just duplicate this slide. And while holding Shift, move this first rectangle downwards. Now duplicate your slide again, and while holding Shift, move the second rectangle downwards. Duplicate your slide again and then move the third rectangle downwards while holding Shift to make sure that we can give perfect morph transition. Duplicate your first slide and move it into the end. Select all of your slides and then go to Transitions tab and click on Morph Transition. So this is the final result of what we made in this video. So if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon You can get this free template from the link in the description below. See you in another video soon.